Spending hundreds of dollars on the latest iPhone, expecting a cutting-edge experience, only to find out that its biggest feature is not even ready. Sounds frustrating, right? That is exactly what is happening with the iPhone 16. Apple introduced its grand vision for artificial intelligence with Apple Intelligence, promising to change the way users interact with their devices. But there is a catch. It is not available yet. And based on the latest statement from Apple Chief Executive Officer Tim Cook, it looks like the wait will be even longer than expected. The major highlight of Apple Intelligence is the smarter version of Siri. Apple has been working on making Siri more intuitive, allowing it to handle tasks across different apps seamlessly. Instead of just responding to queries, this new version of Siri is designed to take full control of the device, helping users with their daily tasks in a natural and efficient way. However, the issue is that it is still not here. During a recent announcement, Tim Cook stated that the improved Siri will be available in the next several months. Initially, Apple Intelligence was supposed to launch alongside iOS 18.4 in April, but now it is clear that things are getting delayed. Some reports from Apple insiders even suggest that Apple Intelligence may not be fully ready until 2026, which is a major setback for those who expected to experience these artificial intelligence features right away. This delay is a big disappointment, especially for users who bought the iPhone 16 with the expectation of enjoying artificial intelligence-powered capabilities from day one. The device was heavily marketed around two key upgrades: the advanced artificial intelligence features and the new camera control button. Now, with one of its biggest selling points being postponed indefinitely, many users are left wondering whether upgrading to the iPhone 16 was the right decision. To make things worse, Apple Intelligence will not be available in all regions, and users in the European Union will have even more restrictions due to regulatory policies. This situation brings up an important question. Is it better to upgrade now, or should users wait for the iPhone 17? If Apple Intelligence will not be fully functional until 2026, then iPhone 16 users will only get a limited version of these features, while future models will likely have the complete experience. This delay might make the iPhone 16 feel more like a test version rather than a significant upgrade, which could impact its appeal among consumers. Despite these setbacks, Apple Chief Executive Officer Tim Cook remains optimistic about Apple Intelligence. During the company's earnings call, he described the upcoming artificial intelligence tools as features that users cannot live without once they have tried them. This statement sets high expectations but also raises concerns. If Apple Intelligence ends up being just another minor software improvement rather than a game-changing feature, users may feel disappointed. Apple has built a reputation for delivering polished and innovative products, so any failure to meet expectations could harm its credibility in the artificial intelligence space. Meanwhile, Apple is not the only company trying to dominate artificial intelligence in smartphones. Samsung also focused heavily on artificial intelligence when introducing the Galaxy S25 series during its Galaxy Unpacked event. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates. Samsung's One UI 7.0 update has introduced a game-changing feature that's bound to make navigation a lot more convenient for users. The Now bar. This new tool is designed to work seamlessly with Google Maps, providing route-related information directly on the phone's lock screen. The beauty of this feature is that you won't need to unlock your device or even open the app to check your next turn. Instead, a simple glance at your phone will show you the important navigation updates, making your travel experience smoother and far more efficient. Initially, the Now bar was introduced with One UI 7.0, aimed at tracking ongoing activities and offering relevant information without needing to jump between apps. However, when Samsung first unveiled the feature at the Galaxy Unpacked event, it wasn't fully functional with Google Maps. That has changed. Recently, Google released an update that allows Google Maps to integrate flawlessly with the Now bar on Samsung Galaxy devices running One UI 7.0. The latest Google Maps update, version 25.050 1.719889437, now works smoothly with this feature, ensuring that your navigation details appear right on the lock screen. This integration means you can view your next steps without unlocking your phone, whether you're driving, walking, or taking public transport. You'll receive live updates in real time, including a progress bar for public transportation routes, estimated time of arrival, and other crucial details to keep you on track. Google originally designed the live updates feature for Android 16, but thanks to this update, it works perfectly even on devices running Android 15. This speaks volumes about Google's dedication to enhancing the user experience for a wider range of devices. The Now bar isn't limited to just Google Maps, though. It works across various Samsung and Google apps, providing updates for activities like checking your progress in Samsung Health, setting reminders in Samsung Notes, or even tracking live sports scores via Google. This means you don't need to unlock your device to stay up to date with important information, regardless of which app you're using. One of the most notable advantages of the Now bar is that it also functions on the always-on display. This is especially helpful when your phone is in sleep mode. Even when the screen is off, you can still view important updates, and if you need to interact with any of the displayed information, a simple double tap will take you right to the action. This small yet impactful feature makes multitasking even easier and ensures that you have the necessary information right at your fingertips without needing to wake your device or search for apps. In addition to its functionality, the Now bar enhances the overall experience of using your Samsung device. With real-time updates and seamless integration with various apps, it ensures that you have everything you need in one place. This makes it a particularly valuable tool for users who rely on their devices for navigation and task management. Plus, with the Galaxy S25 launch just around the corner, Samsung has ensured that the software continues to match the advanced hardware capabilities of its latest devices. If you haven't updated your Google Maps app yet, now's the time to do so. This new integration makes it easier than ever to stay on top of your travel plans and ongoing activities. It also ensures a more seamless and efficient experience when using Google Maps on your Samsung device. So, what do you think of the Now bar? Do you think it will make your navigation experience more convenient? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations. Are you still using your Samsung Galaxy A series phone? If so, you might want to check for the latest update that just rolled out. Samsung has started distributing the January 2025 security patch to several Galaxy A models in the United States, including the Galaxy A23 5G, Galaxy A32 5G, Galaxy A35 5G, and the Galaxy A53 5G. Even though these devices have been around for a few years now, Samsung continues to provide crucial updates to ensure they remain secure and function well. The January 2025 security update addresses a number of vulnerabilities. It fixes 29 issues that affect the Android operating system itself, alongside 22 security flaws specific to Samsung devices. While this update doesn't bring major new features, it's essential for the protection and stability of your phone. These security patches are designed to safeguard user data and enhance the overall performance of your device. Regular updates are vital, especially as threats continue to evolve. For owners of the Galaxy A35 and Galaxy A53, there's something to look forward to beyond just security patches. In the upcoming months, these models will be upgraded to Samsung's One UI 7, which is based on Android 15. This update will bring new features and improvements that enhance both the performance and user interface, ensuring these phones feel fresh even as they age. Unfortunately, the Galaxy A23 and Galaxy A32 won't be receiving any further major operating system updates, but they will continue to get security patches to ensure they stay secure for a while longer. If you're using one of these models, you can check for the update by heading to your phone's settings. Simply select Software Update and tap Download and Install. It's a quick and easy way to keep your phone protected. While these security patches may seem like small updates, they play an important role in ensuring your device is secure and running smoothly. It's always a good idea to keep your phone up to date, as this helps protect it from potential threats and ensures it performs at its best. One of the benefits of receiving these updates is that they extend the lifespan of your phone. Many people hold onto their smartphones for several years, and consistent updates help keep older devices functioning as efficiently as possible. This is especially true for mid-range models like the Galaxy A series, which may not always get the same attention as flagship devices but still deserve long-term support. Samsung's commitment to keeping these phones updated shows just how much they value providing ongoing support, even for budget-friendly options. If you haven't received the January 2025 update yet, don't worry. Carrier-locked versions of these phones are still waiting to be updated, but they will likely get the patch soon. Keeping your device updated isn't just about security, it also helps improve the phone's performance. Over time, updates can fix bugs, optimize apps, and even introduce new features. It might seem like a hassle to download and install these updates, but the benefits far outweigh the inconvenience. A well-maintained phone can save you from costly repairs or even replacing your device prematurely. So, if you own a Galaxy A23, A32, A35, or A53, it's time to check for the latest update. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on Samsung devices and other tech news. Stay tuned for more.